Introducing the world's first 8-in-1 convertible side-by-side refrigerator, a true wonder of innovation. Its sleek and elegant design enhances the beauty of your home. Experience smart interior lighting, which provides uniform light that gives your food a more enticing look. And with a huge storage capacity of 646 liters, you can store more food than ever before, including toughened glass shelves to handle a whopping storage load. Equipped with metal and dual cooling plus technology, this refrigerator ensures longer individual cooling with uniform temperature distribution and longer cooling retention. Its 3-layer active odor guard eliminates unwanted odors and keeps the air fresh. Say goodbye to germs and bacteria with the intelligent germ terminator technology, which provides long-lasting freshness to your food. Additionally, the unique 8-in-1 convertible mode allows you to adapt the refrigerator to different occasions, along with the convenient vacation mode. Human detection technology adds beautification to your refrigerator, and with an AIoT-based electronic control display, you can remotely monitor and control your refrigerator. Quench your thirst instantly with the Aqua Fountain, which provides chilled water on demand. It's time to uplift your life and uplift your style with this world's first 8-in-1 convertible side-by-side refrigerator.